I'm Dr. Liu. Welcome, MaMath. Okay, let me think this one through. The question is asking about a child filling a tall jar by pouring in the same small cup of water again and again. So the key is the child is using one unit, repeating it over and over to measure something bigger. I'll keep that in mind while I go through each option. Option A is partitioning. Partitioning usually means breaking something into equal parts, like cutting a pizza into eighths or dividing a stick into sections. But here the child isn't breaking the jar into parts, they're repeating a unit, so I don't think this one fits. Option B is unit iteration. That word iteration means repeating, right? So unit iteration is using the same unit multiple times to cover or fill a bigger space. That actually sounds exactly like what's happening here. The child is iterating the same cup full of water to measure the volume of the tall jar. This is looking like the best answer. But let me check the other two options to make sure. Option C is transitivity. That's more about comparing lengths indirectly, like saying if stick C is longer than stick B and stick B is longer than stick A, then stick C must be longer than stick A. That's not what's happening here. There's no indirect comparison, so I'll rule this one out. Option D is conservation. That usually means understanding that the quantity of something stays the same even if it looks different. For example, if you pour water into a different shaped container, the amount doesn't change. That's not the focus in this scenario either. So, my strategy here is to match the action in the problem, repeating the same small cup to the definition. That leads me right to unit iteration. So the correct answer is B. And a little tip. Whenever I see these measurement concept questions, I look for key ideas. If it's about repeating a unit, think iteration. If it's about not being fooled by appearances, that's conservation. If it's about indirect comparisons, that's transitivity. Focusing on the core ideas help me sort them out. Follow MaMath to enjoy more.